Hello children, good morning to you all. In this class we will discuss the exercise part, workout, lesson 1, transport and communication in India, exercise B. In our previous class we have discussed exercise A and C. Today we will discuss exercise B, answer these questions. I request all of you to check it once again, the exercise A and exercise C. These are the answers. Answers are given at the right side of the screen. You can check it out. In this class, we will discuss the exercise part, that is exercise B. I request all of you to write it down in your social studies notebook, both the question and answers. Question 1. What are means of transport? The answer is vehicles that we use to move from one place to another are known as the means of transport. What do you mean by transport? Means moving from one place to another is known as transport, and means of transport means the vehicles which we use to move from one place to another, that is known as means of transport. Remember the difference between transport and means of transport. 2. What are the three means of transport? Transport are of three types. Three means of transport are land transport, water transport and air transport. These are the three types of transport. Land transport, water transport, which is the oldest means of transport, and air transport. This is the fastest means of transport. Next, 3. What is mass communication? The answer is mass communication means communicating with various people at once. Examples are newspaper, radio, television are means of mass communication. So what do you mean by mass communication? The communication through which we can share information at once to large number of people, through which we can connect to large number of people. It is known as mass communication. Examples are newspaper, radio and television. These are means of mass communication. 4. Name the modern means of communication. Which are the modern means of communication? What do you mean by modern means of communication? It means that the communication which we use today, those are known as modern means of communication. The answer is modern means of communication are telephones, mobile phones, laptops, computers, emails and tablets. These are the modern means of communication which we use today. Question number 5. How do letters reach us? The answer is a letter is dropped at a letter box from where it is picked by the postman and taken to the post office. At the post office, all letters are sorted and packed in different mail bags based on the destination city or locality. It is then delivered by the postman of that area to the recipient's address. So this is the answer. So how do letters reach us? To send a letter, first of all, we have to keep in mind that whenever we send a letter, we have to write the full address of the recipient. That is address, PIN number, that is the PIN code, post office, police station, district, state. We have to include all the details and then send a letter to the recipient. So, first what we have to do? First, a letter is dropped. A written letter is packed in an envelope and it is dropped at a letter box. And from the letter box, postman will pick up. It is postman picked up the letter and they takes the letter to the post office. And when the postman takes the letter to the post office, what they do? they arrange the letters according to the address where they have to send the letters. So all the letters are sorted and packed in different mail bags. In different mail bags, all the letters are arranged and packed according to the address. Suppose, for example, if the letters are to be sent to Guwahati, what they will do? They will arrange all the letters together, which they will send to Guwahati. In the same way, if the letters are to be sent to Delhi, they will send all the letters together, which they have to send to Delhi. So, in this way, the letters are sorted and packed in different mail bags according to the destination, city, and then they deliver the letters, okay, and then they send it to the written address, and it is then delivered. And when the letters reach to the destination, reach to the city, the postman of that area deliver the letters to the recipient address. That means the postman who is working in that city will deliver the letters to the recipient address. So dear children, I hope you understood about how do letters reach us. We have completed lesson 1, transport and communication in India. In our next class we will discuss lesson 2, culture of India. Thank you. Have a nice day.